I became a millionaire at 25 years old. Here's 8 lessons you need to know. My name is Isabella, I'm 27 years old, and I'm a self-made millionaire from money and businesses that I've literally built and made online.
This video is for anyone that wants to make money online.
Did you know that industry experts estimate that around 10 to 20% of dropshipping businesses succeed, and you want to be one? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to launch your own dropshipping store and start making money without any upfront costs. Welcome to NT Tech Review, and I'll be guiding you through this comprehensive course on mastering dropshipping. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this course has something for everyone. Let's start with the basics. What is dropshipping? Simply put, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. Now that you understand the concept, let's set up your store. We'll use Shopify for this course, but there are other platforms like WooCommerce and BigCommerce. Steps. Sign up for Shopify. Choose a theme and customize your store. Add products to your store. Set up payment gateways. A crucial part of dropshipping is finding reliable suppliers. We'll explore platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salhu. Tips. How to vet suppliers. Importance of communication and reliability. Choosing the right products can make or break your dropshipping business. We'll cover tools like Google Trends and niche research. Steps. Identify trending products. Evaluate competition. Select profitable niches. Marketing is key to driving traffic and sales. We'll dive into Facebook ads, Instagram marketing, and SEO. Steps. Setting up Facebook ads. Creating engaging Instagram posts. Optimizing your store for search engines. Once the orders start coming in, you'll need to manage them efficiently. We'll discuss order fulfillment, tracking, and customer service. Steps. Automating order fulfillment. Providing excellent customer service. Handling returns and refunds. Congratulations! You've completed the Dropshipping Mastery course. Remember, success in dropshipping requires continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with market trends and always strive to improve your store. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy dropshipping! And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Power on, let's go now. Shining screens show us how.